The challenge of operating military equipment is keeping it maintained and optimized. For hardware, this can mean upgrading radars, tuning engines, or integrating new weapons. Tasks that takes time, effort, and often require dock chips. For software, it's a different story. Updates can add functionality, improve performance, and streamline user interaction, all at a much faster pace. Software is more adaptable, allowing continuous improvements that keep systems evergreen. At Systematic, we are leaders in evergreen software. We don't just deliver a product and move on. We work closely with military users, running exercises and workshops to gather feedback and refine our solutions. Customers can also shape our development roadmap, ensuring we meet their needs quickly and effectively. For example, new features for SitaWare Maritime driven by customer inputs are set to deliver a significant leap in operational planning. Plus, our software development kit and regularly updated APIs enable seamless integration with industry partners, simplifying workflows and reducing operator workload. With Systematic, software evolves as fast as your mission demands.